Both these products are actually much more premium than the basic machines. So these machines, they bring sewing and embroidery functions combined together. SVP Global holds the three brands, that is Singer, Viking and Faf. So that's how it is SVP. Husqvarna Viking is one of the brands. It's a Swedish brand originally, and Faf was originally a German brand. So now, till now we were representing Singer in India, and now we'll be bringing in Husqvarna Viking plus Faf. Both these products are actually much more premium than the basic machines. About the Viking machines, they more and more they focus on the embroidery and sewing machines. So in India you have the embroidery machines, but you don't have many the embroidery cum sewing machines. So when as a household you want to buy a machine, you want both the functions, you want sewing and embroidery. So these machines, they bring sewing and embroidery functions combined together and seamless. So we have mysew.net. So host of designs are available. You can just go in there, click on the design that you need. If you want something specific, you can go on the net. There are enough designs available. And if you want to embroider something more specific, you can even punch it. So there are services available, you can get them punched. So the possibilities are infinite. With this, what's coming out is now crafting is catching pace. Do it yourself, personalization, it's mine, I did it, I designed it. There is enough of fast fashion now, and it's kind of completed its age. That's my own personal view. And now there is more specific that's required. People are seeking more things, and this one therefore satisfies that particular need. I also say, if baking is an art, if singing is an art, if dancing is an art, if painting is an art, then why sewing and crafting is not an art? I think it's the most productive kind of a creative art that's there. It's just that it's kind of got lost somewhere. We need to bring it back, and we're working on them. So these machines are amazing in that sense. The Faf machines, they're the German machines, and in Faf they patented a technology for movement of the fabric. So normally in all the machines the fabric moves with the single feed dog, and in this there is a dual mechanism to move the fabric. So the base and the top, they both together move the fabric. What does that mean? Any kind of a complex fabric like a silk, a fine silk, which is difficult in normal sewing machine, moves effortlessly. Your sewing is absolutely straight. So Faf machines again are considered to be far superior than the normal range. So we're bringing some of the Faf machines also in India. So soon you will see the Faf machines and the Viking machines on the range. So these machines are the connected machines. So they get connected on your mobile. There is a cloud, mysew.net. There are a host of designs over there. You can go and pick up whatever you want. You want flowers, you will get all kind of flowers. You want to punch yourselves, of course it has software which can immediately adapt it. Okay. So that's the technology here. Coming to what's the global technology now, Viking has launched on the higher end machines which are in the range of 18,000 US dollars. They have projector. So if you are sewing something and you have the pattern and you want to cut it, it can just project it on the cloth, and you can simply cut the cloth, you can put it on sewing, you can do the embroidery, you can do everything. The Faf machines, the ones which is launched now, is in the range of 20,000 US dollars. It's AI, so it learns on its own and starts working as your partner in sewing and crafting. So these are more and more intelligent machines. The accuracy is very high. In some of them, if you see the accuracy and the fineness, for example, I have a shirt with the eagle. The eyes are so precise that you feel it's a painting. So that's what is new in all these machines. I would say when you bake a cake for your birthday or your son's birthday, I think it's priceless. Okay, if you start counting, oven costs so much, ingredients cost so much, my time is so much, you can never bake a cake. You will always buy it from outside. But it's my cake. it's my design, I made it. I think they become, all of them, they become priceless. So you can't buy them, you can only create them. So the whole concept of these experience centers is, if you see the way it is laid now, every person is welcome. Come here, there are all these threads that are placed are there to use. You bring your garment, pick up a design, want to do something, you want to give an experience to your young daughter or child to see how the sewing is done. Please come, feel free, make some nice scrunchies for her, take it away. We're just creating awareness around it. Now, if you really want to learn, then there are classes. So down there, I don't know if you saw that. So there are online classes, but the way this is laid up, physical classes will also be there. If somebody wants to have physical class, please come here. We'll experience, learn, we'll try and teach you whatever we can and gradually pick up. So one thing we realized is, in these machines, the failure is nearly zero. All the issues that come are about, how do I use the machine? Oh, the thread got stuck, what am I supposed to do? Oh, it's breaking, what am I supposed to do? So what we've done is, we have launched an online service. Okay, so you have an issue, call up. Our person will take you online. If you have 3305, the person will pick up the 3305, speak to you whatever is your concern, help you to make the correction right there, and in 99% of the cases we solve the problem immediately on a video call. I think this video assist, it's a very, very novel idea. Most of our calls now get diverted there, and we have a phenomenal response from customers. Having said that, we have a lot of promoters spread all over the country. If there is an issue on training, we'll send the promoter. If there is an issue actually on the service is delivered at home.